Welcome to Instructional Videos. Today we are going to set up the Sidekick Plus banner display. So first thing you want to do is remove all the parts from this convenient carry case. So first thing we're going to do is attach the banner pole to our base. So to attach the banner pole, we're just going to loosen one of the knobs on the hubs on the base. Then we're going to insert the banner pole. And when inserting the banner pole, you want to make sure that the hooks are facing in towards the other hub. So I'm just going to insert my banner pole and then using the knob, tighten into place. Now that I have my base put together, we're just going to move it off to the side. Next, we're going to work on the graphic. So first thing you want to do is lay your graphic face down on a clean, flat surface. Next, we're going to connect the banner rail to the top and bottom of our graphic. And the banner rail can range in color from black to tan. So you're just going to remove the adhesive backer on the banner rail. And then you're going to stick it to the top back of your graphic. Once you have it attached, you just want to firmly press down to make sure that it's completely stuck down. We're going to repeat these exact same steps for the bottom of our graphic. Now that we have our banner rails attached, we're ready to attach the rails. So to attach the rails, you want to make sure for the top that the red arrow is pointing down towards the graphic, and when attaching to the bottom, you want to make sure that the red arrow is pointing up towards the graphic. So I'm going to attach it to my top first. So I'm just going to open the side of my rail. Then I'm going to insert the snap rail onto my banner. And you want to make sure that the arrow is pointing down towards your graphic. You will have to turn the rail so that it is parallel to this top rail as you're inserting it. Once you have it fully inserted, you will just shut the rail. And we're going to repeat these exact same steps for the bottom of our banner, except that we want the red arrow pointing up towards the banner. Now that we have our rails attached, we're ready to attach it to our frame. So starting with the top rail, we're just going to align the red arrow to the hook on our frame. So I'm just going to insert the red arrow onto the hook. Once you have your rail attached to the hook, we're just going to open the screw and extend our pole all the way up. Once you have your pole extended all the way, you're just going to tighten the screw. Next, we're going to loosen the screw on the bottom hook, and we're going to raise the hook up and insert it into the bottom of our rail. Once you have the rail attached, you're just going to push down on the hook, making sure the banner is taut. And then you're just going to tighten the screw into place. Now that we have our banner attached, we're ready to attach our shelf and lit holder. So to attach the shelf and lit holder, we're first going to open the screw on the bottom of our base. Next, we're going to insert the pole and tighten the screw. And when you insert the pole, you can have the top of the pole with the screw facing in towards your banner. Next, we're going to open the screw that's on the top of our pole and extend the pole up. Once the pole is fully extended, you're just going to tighten the screw. Now that you have the pole fully extended, we're ready to attach our table. So to attach the table, we're just going to open the screw on the bottom of the table. And then we're going to insert the table onto the pole. And when you insert it, you want to make sure that the straight side of the table is facing back towards your banner. So I'm just going to insert my table. Once you have the table fully inserted, you're just going to tighten the screw. Now we're ready to attach the clear lit holder. To attach the clear lit holder, you're just going to use the hook on the back and slide it onto the pole. And it's just that easy to set up your Sidekick Plus banner display.